Hey babes, it's your girl Nora. Today I'm installing this bob and it's giving very much late 90s and early 2000. So if you guys want to see that, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. This wig is from mycrownedwigs. You guys know I can never pronounce those names correctly. This is the inside of the wig. It came with an elastic band and it's supposed to be pre-bleach and pre-plucked. Even though this wig indeed came pre-plucked, I'm still going to pluck it. It was a very light plucking, so I just wanted, a little more. I wanted this wig to give me scalp, okay? And guys, when you're plucking, just make sure to plug behind the line and not directly on the line of the wig. Otherwise, your wig will bald and it won't last. I know us YouTube and Instagram, TikTok girlies, we love to show you guys how we pluck our wig like there's no tomorrow, but the truth is if you pluck your wig too much, your wig and your lace won't last as long. So make sure to really pluck this wig carefully, or any wig for that matter. Anyway, let's get back into the wig. This is the cut of the wig. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too happy with the cut. It's like one side was 10 inches and the other side was like 8 inches. It was giving me very much, 2010, and I wasn't a big fan of that. So this was a little annoying, but listen, the hair on itself, it's really soft and silky. Like the quality of the hair is great. I mean, the quality is really amazing, but the cut was just not it for me. And this week came with a side part, and if you're not new on my channel, you must know by now that I'm a middle part girly. So I report this week with some foam in my head comb that I bought on Amazon. It takes a couple seconds to get hot, but it's really a good one. So this is what the wig look like after I'm done plucking it, and honestly this hairline looks so good. And I'm just going to go and cut the lace. And guys, this lace this lace is so good. Honestly, with the elastic you can 100% wear this wig glueless. But one thing I'm going to say about the wig cap is that usually I'm a small cap and they sent me a medium and it fits perfectly, so you may need to go a size up when you're ordering this wig. Now for the install, I'm going to glue on this wig with the waterproof Got2b gel. This gel is not like the other one. As you guys can see, when you're applying it, the gel is actually white, and just like glue, you need to be really careful when you're laying this gel and making sure that it's not doing any buildup, because otherwise it won't get clear easily, and this gel dries crazy fast, so it can definitively be dry and still stay white. Honestly, I just have to say that again. I really hate the cut on this wig, but I love the lace. And listen, I only hate the cut on this wig because the cut doesn't suit my face, and I just feel like they could have just done a better job at cutting it. But listen, the lace, guys, the lace. I'm living for this lace. Like, if this wig was bleached correctly, this lace would have given me life, because the lace on itself, it's so pretty and it's so clear. Like, you can even see it. Like, the lace looks so good. It's just like the job on the bleaching part wasn't really good. I'm definitively going to bleach this wig again. I will show it to you guys on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there. Anyway, I use my Get to Be spray to melt the front of the wig. I like to lay the front of my wig with spray because it just melts so perfectly into my skin. Here you can see that I didn't really take my time with the gel and I dried for like too long because I told you guys this gel dries crazy fast. So I had to use my Get to Be spray on top to lay it. But since the lace on this wig is really clear, you're definitely going to see the gel underneath. But to fix it, you can just use a semi-wet towel on top to take out the excess gel. After gluing on this wig, I tied it up and now it's time to style it. Nothing too crazy. This wig is 8 inches and I couldn't really cut it because I couldn't really alter the wig. So I just used my flat iron to style it. Honestly, you can definitely see the knots on this wig, which annoyed me. Especially on the part, so you definitely need to apply a bit of foundation on the lace and on the part. I realized that after and I did it off camera. I also cut the side that was too long to make it fit the vibe that I was going for. I use my hair dryer to like bump the hands to the back. I'm not sure that you guys understand what I mean, but you guys are seeing me doing it right now. So I just did that just for the hair to not look flat on my head. And I kind of like it. This just add to the vibe. I don't know, this just finalos. Finalos? What word is that? This is just the final look, okay? She had what needed to be added. Yeah, anyhow. But anyway, guys, that's it. I hope that you like this video. This hair is very, maybe I'm tripping, but this wig is giving me very much 80s, like late 80s vibe and debut of 2020. So thank you to my wig for sending me this wig. All the link will be in the description box. I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to leave your thoughts on this hair in the comments. And as always, love you guys and peace out. Bye, babes.